And for stay for 2 days. Give me a minute, Jabas, I'll call him now. That's why I'm saying we can't mother go up there. Mother go up there and even spend 1-2 days up there. If he allow me. But I mother if he upset me, I say, alright then. You understand me? I can't come because mother just the crew will stay with him. The whole crew will stay with him. The whole away with a happy figure. All away with a happy figure and surround him. You get me? But him not to upset me. Mm. We not to go Airbnb for go around somebody. That are no problem. We not chat too much. We not find the right things them for say. You can't do this and say bless God. Father God bless him. Bless him way. Clear him way. You keep on tell people about Airbnb. Nobody care about Airbnb. You can't find the right words. You keep on just a combo stupidness. Father God bless him way. Clear him way, Father God. Keep him. Protect him. Guide him. Look at black your ass, because you're sick. Or someone has some little pitney. I'm black them. Then my mother right here would never understand. I black them because I feel some little pitney them. I feel some little pitney. I want some little piss and tail pitney over here. So. You man, lift up, man. Upset my spirit. Upset my spirit bad. I don't have nothing good for say. I want him to eat about you on a bad mind. Hard, dirty. Guys. Cover him, cover him. I say cover him. Phone a charge. Mika. Ask Akiwak if he can go Kingston tomorrow. Ask Akiwak if he can go Kingston tomorrow. Alright. Yeah, me alright. I'm good. I'm good. There's too much evil in the world here. Whole heap of evil. Some people would go beyond. But we're alright, of course. I'm perfectly good. Just to make sure it's everything good. They might call me back. I'm gonna try to push up my spirit. Alright, guys. So, what we up to now, team? What we up to? Yeah, I'm gonna take a break. I'll take a break and go have a bath. Yeah, wash my body. Jayden is okay. Him just needs some real people around him. So me ask you a question. What wrong with the Ants family? What wrong with the Ants family? So why Jayden never avoid the Ants family, no matter how we argue, no matter what happen? Brother, go suck your mother and come off your Ants family, man. And that me I tell you. I want to you. Why Jayden not choose you? You have a problem? So how funny it is in choose the Ants family. How crazy it is. A family where nobody no want to deal with. Him choose the Ants family. Eh? Look on that. Make a look for you because moderator and even look on your comments. And that me I tell you. I found out some bad mind drunk, that me I tell you. Yeah. You just run up your mouth in a people chat. I don't know who you. Because first me ever see in my comments. How funny it is in choose the Ants family. How funny it is. A family where nobody no want to look pan in choose the family day. How funny it is. Him see something good in our family. And love this a family. Yeah. And no matter what, we still are going to love him. Each and every one of we. I wouldn't feel like say we are not friends. A whole are we good. I can get rid of you. Stink like shit. Crazy. Girl, me no want to wake all this, so hold on them. I can block them people, yeah. Yeah, man. Simple things me black people for. No found out some bad mind drunk. Big up yourself, baby. We love you too. Big up yourself, baby. And for them for go, man, they not for them on the platform. If I can pick them out one by one and get rid of them, me do it. Not for them, not for their own people. Them are too dirty. Proud of you, honey. Big up yourself, babe. Not for them are too dirty, man. Them for wipe them, man, and go on about them business and stop coming at people way. That me I tell you. Oh. I see how much week we have in July. And we have some week in July, mother want. Don't make them get you. No, that's a proud of you, honey. Big up yourself. Oh, thank you for that. So guys, I try to work all day, alright? I snap out of this so we there so do. Alright, what we did not talk about? We did not talk about something, alright? Just give me a minute. My wait for Jabba to call me back. Alright, so what we did not talk about? We did not talk about something. Alright, so make we continue to talk about what we did not talk about. Alright? Yeah, I know no nosy. I know no nosy, so when I go drop in. Alright, so when you can send me a request. When you can send me a request and come in at the box as you like. Alright? Shall I lie down and relax your body now? Alright guys, so me talk about this. Stop put that in the comment section and distract me now. God. I tell you same okay. and Jabba's a check on him. Him alright. Don't put that in my comments. Jabba's a check on him now. And me this squad go and check on him and drop in. Right? So Jabba's did it. I do the same thing. Just stop now. Stop. And he have slime. Una remember say slime too? Una remember slime? Yeah. So slime did it too. Alright? Don't make it stay so. Him good. Guys, I don't want to now come up here and tell me certain things on my head. Please, me I beg on. I never want to hear it. There's some things I don't want to hear them talk, bro. I tell them saying good, like, guys, him good. Alright, I could talk about something else. You can do that. Again, him alright. Jabba's dip on it. And slime. Remember say slime I'm bestie. Alright? So no stop worrying. Alright, guys, so left that alone a little bit. I could leave that alone a little bit. Alright? Trying to switch up a mode. Had me. Don't. Why press what I add them? Oh,